Hey YouTube, thanks for tuning in to another episode of VGAPR Garage. Today starts another $500 car series. For those of you that might be worried about the Saab $500 car series, that has not ended. It will continue, as in that is my boyfriend's car, and trying to make it work perfectly. But this is a personal car of mine, will be a personal car of mine. And it is a 2005 Mazda 6. And the best part about it is it's a hatchback. You know it's a hatchback because it has a rear wiper. It's a Mazda inside. Previous owner, I know the lights really, the sun's like really on it. The previous owner had kids, smoked. I cleaned it out the best I could. Still gotta take the seats out and clean them. And the headliner has to be redone. I'll be going through everything on this car with all of you. But the biggest problem with this car is, and the reason why I got it for $500, is it's making quite a bit of noise from the engine. I'm not going to start it, but I can see if I can get the clip from the previous owner and show all of you. I thought it was rod bearings that are making the noise. Not so sure anymore. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see. I'll try to do the best that I can. This is cylinder number 4. We're looking up at the top of the cylinder head. We have a valve there. Another valve there. Keep trying to spin. I got gloves on, so it makes it a little difficult. Where'd you go? They're around here somewhere. Watch me have gone too far down. Valve there. There should be another one. Come on, come on, come on. Anyways, there are 4 valves, and they are all opened. Let's see if we can go to cylinder number 3. Oops, went right past the... Alright, we are in cylinder number 3. Let's spin around. And the gloves on, it makes it kind of hard to spin around. Take it off. Where are we? There's the threads. I think that's one there. And that one looks like it's closed. Spin around. Okay, so that's not the biggest problem. Well, it leads me to think that they're all opened, because we're no longer using the camera to look up at the cylinder head. We're going down at the piston. Get down inside. That piston, and I know the quality is really crappy, but that piston is horribly marked up. As where we're going to cylinder number 3, that's just got some corrosion, or not corrosion, but you know, build up carbon. We go down into cylinder number 2, just built up. And then let's go down into cylinder number 1 and just build up. Back into cylinder number 4. Those valves hit. So we're going to be rebuilding the engine, which is fine. I've always wanted to fully rebuild an engine and put it back together, and this tends to be a relatively simple rebuild. This is the second engine in this car that, to my understanding, it was rebuilt, but we'll find out. That I mean, you look, we can pull the dipstick. Go ahead and do that for you guys, and hopefully you can see. Maybe you can't, but I'll tell you, the oil is black, which is never good for an engine. But I'm going to be able to walk you through how to rebuild this engine, hopefully getting some help from fellow YouTubers, which will be absolutely fantastic. This engine also works for the Ford Fusion, or not the Ford Fusion, but the Focus. And this engine is also the beginning of the Ford Mazda EcoBoost engine, which there may be a chance that I may slap a turbo on this, but we'll see. But this is the beginning. If you guys know anything about this engine, that'd be very helpful. Yeah, so hopefully you guys will join me on this. I'm gonna literally be taking the whole underframe off, getting it powder coated, because I want to use it in the winter time. I don't want to keep driving that in the winter. I don't like it. But if you guys like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give a thumbs down and let me know why. Please let me know if you guys want to see more of this series. Specific things that you guys want to see will also be very helpful, because I'm literally going to be ripping this entire car apart. As always, clean your tools off. Not that much was really done. Before I go, I did pull spark plugs, all relatively new, and all look very, very good. So I'm not too worried about that. But again, clean your tools off, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.